In the scorching August heat, Pingyao, an ancient city with over 2,800 years of history, welcomed a special group of guests, 17 volunteers from France, Mexico, and China. They were brought together for the 2025 Built Heritage Conservation Voluntary Work Camp and Gen Z Construction Workshop, co-organized by Ren A. San Heritage Foundation and Shanxi International Communication Center, to restore two ancient buildings with more than 3 centuries of history. Upon arriving, the volunteers were introduced to the restoration of Asian architecture through a talk by local cultural heritage expert Ji Taiping.
It's a very big opportunity for me to be here for my future because I want to make dig in China.
We can be in Pingyao. Many people doing their lives like normally will be. And in Mexico, it's mostly like we just go watch the buildings, read some. I really like Chinese people still living in their ancient buildings, keeping them alive.
Pingyao is located in Shanxi province, which is renowned as the Museum of Ancient Chinese Architectural Art. Shanxi boasts 3 World Heritage Sites and over 50,000 immovable cultural relics. Pingyao Ancient City has completely preserved its urban layout from the Ming and Qing dynasties, making it a rare cultural treasure.
Pour moi, ma détermination, ma motivation en fait au quotidien, c'est essayer d'apprendre et de reproduire les mêmes tâches qu'ils font, les chifous, donc les maîtres.
The moment the volunteers came here, they are eager to learn from the craftsmen. However, even tasks like mixing mortar and laying bricks are not easy at all. Among the 17 volunteers, only Emma Dargery from France won the master's approval for her brick-laying skills.
Et donc c'est simplement en observant, en les regardant faire et en essayant de les copier par mimétisme qu'on arrive à essayer de ressembler à ce qu'ils font. Et donc c'est oui, simplement en copiant, en pratiquant, en essayant plusieurs fois.
The temporary setbacks did not discourage these young people. Instead, it motivated their enthusiasm and determination. By keeping practicing hard, they gradually grasped the skills and also appreciated the culture of Chinese ancient architecture. Beyond that, what amazed them the most was China's traditional mortise and tenon technique.
On avait une sorte de maquette. Je ne sais pas comment on dit en chinois, en français on appelle ça le... Comment, pardon? Suan Mao. Voilà, et c'est magnifique, c'est incroyable. Donc j'aime beaucoup, ça montre justement le talent chinois dans la construction.
Shanxi preserves wooden architecture from various dynasties, spanning Tang to Qing. The technique of mortise and tenon, as the core of Chinese wooden architecture, is widely used in palaces and pavilions.
La culture du dogong, qu'on n'a pas du tout en France, même si en France on va avoir aussi, mais qui seront peut-être en utilisant des clous, des vis, d'autres éléments. Ici c'est surtout de l'assemblage de bois, qu'en France on appelle du mi-bois.
As the young volunteers engaged deeply with the architecture, some problems emerged. When restoring the Longley Cafe, French volunteers suggested creating a model first to identify potential issues in advance, while Chinese volunteers advocate that detailed drawings can specify dimensions and technical requirements precisely.
大家的出发点都是一样的，都是为了更好地完成修复工作。这2种方法不是对立的，而是互补的。文化遗产保护要有多元素、多角度的碰撞过程，差异性往往能够带来更创新的解决方案。
The collision of ideas fostered profound exchanges, helping everyone realize that communication can reduce cultural differences. Through repeated practice and understanding, the wisdom of Eastern architecture is being deciphered by the youth. Even more precious is the two-way efforts between the youth and the craftsmen.
Dans le sud de la France, près de Albi.
历史的故事也好，非遗的手法也好，连接老一代有经验的人和新一代想学习或者去传承，甚至去做一些改变，它去适应更新的时代。
Beyond the hard work, food became the bridge to connect different cultures.
C'est les petits pains vapeur qui n'ont rien à l'intérieur.
On fait à manger donc traditionnel chinois pour nous faire découvrir les dumplings.
Il y avait des nouilles de vermicelle.
Pas mal de spécialités chinoises qu'on a pu goûter, incroyables.
Ouais.
The distinctive flavors of Shanxi became a code for emotional connection and narrowed the distance between them. And the late-night sharing sessions is another feast during this practical journey.
Des personnes du camp vont présenter leurs études et après on a des jeux de société aussi qui étaient très marrantes et ça permet vraiment d'échanger et on se rend compte qu'en fait on se retrouve tous sur certains niveaux, on a tous les mêmes passions, on découvre plein de choses les uns sur les autres et
We learn a lot of stuff like for the history. In first, we learn about the Ming-dynasty.
15 days is too short to master a skill, but it is long enough for them to become friends. The preservation of cultural heritage is never just about restoring old buildings. It's about building a new bridge between the past and the future, between China and the world.
Qu'on soit d'une communauté différente, un objectif commun, c'est-à-dire restaurer le patrimoine. On a tous le même objectif, c'est pareil, transmettre aux générations futures. Donc pour transmettre la mémoire aux générations futures.
我们修复这个是为了让后人去传承这个技艺，传承这个文化跟历史，所以我觉得让它恢复成原状就很好。
C'est se réunir autour d'un projet concret, le patrimoine. Et ça, c'est beau.
Sense of friendship that can grow between China and Mexico.
On espère que les relations franco-chinoises pourront continuer aussi bien que maintenant.
When they are restoring buildings, they are also building understanding and maintaining friendship. This volunteer activity in China has brought together Gen Zers from different countries to work hard beneath the ancient city walls, immersing themselves in the very fabric of its history. The bricks, craftsmanship, and friendship will scatter like seeds across the world. And one day, they will break through the soil and bloom.